Alright guys, we're filming again here. I'm down there in the river, catching a little bird there, doing a little fishing. And such beautiful animals. Yeah, I'm trying to see. Here we go, a little more. And the seagulls are out today. Yeah, lots of birds flying today. Yeah. Yeah, there's my dog. Hey dog. Let's see, we got this going on here. Alright, I'm gonna move a little bit. I just saw some dolphins earlier. So, maybe I can shot some dolphins so you guys, or porpoises. Well, there's a lot going on now. I know there's a lot of hysteria going on as well with the comets and Narcola, all that. And you know, this is Chris here. You call me Sods, Dr. Wu, whatever, it don't matter. And we're just out enjoying the day right now. But I really don't know what's going on with all the comet talk and asteroid talk and all this. And however, it's I think it's slightly overdone, overhyped slightly. Maybe more than slightly, but you know, it is what it is. Come on, dog, you coming along? There's my dog. He's a good dog, he is. I got my leash in the pocket. It's early, so there's very few people out here. And I got an invisible leash going on right now. The rope leash is in my pocket. Anybody seen my invisible leash before? Okay, we got... Well, I'm looking out. This is just a little lookout. Head to the North Bridge here. And there's ducks and birds out. Like I said, it's early, so there's not much going on here. This morning, it was a rainy day. And here we are, taking a walk, and all the birds are out. I should have something to feed them. They're hungry. Yeah, the poor birds. Yeah, I got a little something for them. See, the tide's coming in here today. A little bit. Yeah, we've had a few jellyfish in the water recently, but not a lot here. Just gotta watch out from this one right there. And they'll give you a good sting sometimes if you step on a big one. That's just a little one there. See? There's a little crabby. I believe that's a crabby. Let's see. No, it's just a shell. Okay, there are crabs along here though. Anyway, it's raining out now. Yeah, I might be running for cover soon here. Just because it's starting to drizzle a little bit. So, I've got a hat on though. Alright, we'll walk a little more. There we go. Yeah, one of the places I like to walk with my dog. He's a good dog too. aren't you? I love me some animals. Right, Patty? Yeah. Yeah. All right. There we go. Here's some orgone here. Yeah. We'll put some orgone here. And we're gonna gift the area. Put a little here. Yeah. Alright. And look at the birds, how beautiful they are. Look at him. Yeah, he's a long neck crane. Sometimes they pose for me.